Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to reset Instagram Explore page on iPhone. So if you're finding irrelevant or repetitive content on your Instagram Explore page, then you should reset and customize your Instagram Explore page to see new posts and discover accounts. So there are three ways to reset your Instagram Explore page or change it. So let's get start the video. So the first step is you have to clear search history. For that, open Instagram. Click on your profile, click on three line here and click on your activity. Then simply click on recent searches and then click on clear all. Right? So I have already cleared all. So once you're done, then you can close the Instagram app. Then the next is you have to delete and reinstall the app. For that you can go to settings, then click on general, click on iPhone storage and then simply select your Instagram app, click on offload app and then click on reinstall app again. So now you can go back to your home screen. Now let's just wait for a few seconds until the app is installed again. Once the app is installed, now the last step is manually change setting on Instagram Explore page. Open your Instagram app and go to search. Now hold on to the image that you are not interested and simply click on not interested. Then again click on not interested and do this and your Instagram page will not show the post that you don't want to see. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.